Protein is often promoted as a solution to healthy weight loss. However, a talking point promoted by protein promoters has stayed up for scientific debate. But now, a new study uncovers that eating food with greater protein content actually makes the people feel fuller. There are a number of bad diets out there and lots of guidance on how and what to eat. The scientists showed that the protein makes you feel fuller longer in the short term. The researchers sorted through thousands of studies and decided on 5 as their focus for their meta-analysis, which was published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrients and Dietetics. Each used a plan in which participants came to the lab after fasting, consume food containing protein, and then observe how full they experienced over a period of time. A meal which was rich in protein, such as chicken, was served to one group of participants while the pasta was served to another group. This drove to the restaurant by study co-author Richard Matus, who is a distinguished professor of nutrient science at Purdue University, that greater sensation of fullness was experienced when there was a higher intake of protein. When the scientists combined and edited 28 papers for secondary analysis, they approved the same conclusion. The term states even modestly higher measures of protein may assist people to feel fuller between meals, but it was not able to come up with a particular formula, like how many grams of protein women for a specific height and weight should consume. Mates and his colleagues also state that their findings didn't reveal whether eating protein makes people feel fuller over the long term, or if the body perhaps develops a tolerance to protein. There is more research needed into other some issues, like whether the vegetarian protein has an identical effect as animal protein, or if drinking protein in a shake is less satisfying than perhaps drowning on a chicken leg. Matters says that though this study did not particularly desire dieters, feeling fuller could assist in reducing food intake as an important factor when dieting. If these effects are maintained over the long term, and their study only looked at short-term effects, enhanced protein intake may help in the loss or maintenance of body weight. People who are aiming to lose weight without starving themselves can set the team's finding into use. They recommended eating more proteins in small amount at first. Protein-rich foods involve dairy, fish, legumes, meat, fall, and some grains.